today's instructional video on how to play the happy birthday song using the baritone ukulele. I am excited for today's video. In this video, there will be two main things we shall learn. The first thing will be about 4 simple chords in the G family that will be used towards playing the happy birthday song on the baritone ukulele. The second thing will be about the strumming pattern that will be used towards playing the happy birthday song on the baritone ukulele. And finally, we will apply our the learning from the chords and the strumming towards actually playing the baritone ukulele and singing the happy birthday song along. The baritone ukulele is traditionally tuned in the key of G, with the notes D, G, B, E. Baritone ukulele players may find the key of G easiest. Many favorite songs in the key of G can be played with just 4 simple chords. For the happy birthday song, we shall use these chords: C, D, G, G7. For the C chord, place first and second fingers on the B and D strings as demonstrated. Finger placement for the D chord requires the first 3 fingers placed on the G, E, and B strings as demonstrated. The third finger is placed on the E string as demonstrated for the G major chord. And for the G7 chord, the first finger is placed on the E string as demonstrated. Our second learning objective is about the strumming pattern we will use towards playing the happy birthday song on the ukulele. There are 2 main strokes that can be used, a downstroke and an upstroke. The downstroke is played from top to bottom and the lower notes are heard first. The downstroke goes like this. In the upstroke, it's played from bottom to top, so it's the opposite of the downstroke. And in the upstroke, you hear the lighter notes first. It goes like this. In the next section, we will apply our learning using the downstroke only. So now that we've gone over the chords we're going to use for this happy birthday song, let's try it together. G, D, D, G, G7, C, G, E, G. Let's try this one more time. G, D, D, G, G7, C, G, E, G. Now let's try this with the song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Now you know how to play the happy birthday song on the baritone ukulele.
Want to make the birthday experience even more fun? How about recruiting another family member to add some percussion to it? Or make the moment even more special, joyous, jubilant, with as many hand clappers as you can find. Let the sound of praise and thanksgiving be heard as you celebrate God's goodness in the life of your loved one through the years.
And that's it for today's video. Now go apply what you've learned, have fun, and make a loved one smile.